Okay, so what we're going to be doing here is changing the fluid in this transfer case. This is a 2017 Land Rover. So, like most transfer cases, you want to take loose the drain plug, but you want to remove the fill plugs so it doesn't cause itself to kind of vacuum. So we're going to pull the filler plug so it will drain better. And it's hard to see, but the filler plug is right here. As you can see, this transfer case is maybe slightly overfilled because there is some fluid running out right there. There's our drain plug removed. We also got to replace these two copper washers. Alright, so all the fluid is out. Got my new washer on here. Now this is the fluid it takes. Some Motul. The first thing we're going to go ahead and do is put our drain plug back in. Make sure we don't lose any fluid. Now, one of the things if you're going to do one of these, you may want to have is this very large syringe with a flexible hose. And this thing is great for so many reasons. Because these do come with a spout on them that you can use, but it's not quite as efficient as this. Because of this thing, you can just put the filler with a spout, the syringe right into the fluid, and draw it up into the syringe. And inject the fluid right into the transfer case. This thing should take just a little more than 2 quarts or 2 liters. Plus it's much easier to work with than the spout on the bottle. Especially considering the amount of room you have to work around. This whole process probably should take 30 minutes or less. The or less would be if you're doing this on a lift and on the ground. It's going to be a little more difficult because you're going to be laying on the ground to do it. And basically all you got to do is just keep putting fluid in until you get like a steady stream running out of the transfer case. Now there's the first full quart in, or full liter in. These are metric, so these are 1.05 US quarts. This can be a bit tricky because the hole is kind of behind the heat shield, but shove the hose in and fill it with fluid. I would say that's about got it. So we'll let it drip. Once you're done, wipe off all the excess fluid, and then you're good to go. If you're watching this, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave me a comment.